नमस्कार मित्रांनो आणि फॅशनिस्टा मध्ये तुमचे योगकर आहे। मी आता दांडिया खेळून खेळून थकले आहे आणि 10 मिनिट्सचा ब्रेक आहे। तर मी काय केलं, मी बाहेर आले थोडं फ्रेश एअर घ्यायला आणि आणखी आता परतून स्टार्ट होणार। मी परतून जाणार आणि मग
केसू
मला माहित नाही कोण आहे।
केसू
ओ माय गॉड, आय मीन पोंडा, आय डोंट नो। Oh, hi Rohit, hi.
डूइंग हियर यू टॉकिंग मराठी मध्ये
हो
बोलतेस मला सांग।
मराठी मध्ये मी P2C घेत होती।
मग कसली इथे आज गुजराती नवरात्र फेस्टिवल चालू आहे। मग गुजराती मध्ये बोल ना, केम तो पजामा
मजामा
you can't take in Marathi, you need to talk in either Gujarati or your English language which you
नाही, मी त्यांच्याशी मराठी मध्ये बोलले आणि माझा मराठी आता स्विफ्ट झाला। बघ ना मी कसं
एक सांग, एवढी बनून थाणून कुठे तू बाई कुठे गेलेली?
छान दिसते ना मी। मी नवरात्री
मी काहीतरी म्हटलंस तर नको असं दे, कॅमेरा ऑन आहे, मी नाही म्हणणार।
नाही, मी नवरात्री दांडिया रास आहे ना, हे दांडिया उत्सव त्याला आले। मी खूप नाचणार मला बघायचं, लोक कसे नटून टटून आले ते मला फॅशन बघायचं आहे। इकडे ना दे बघ, हे हो बेंगल्स आहे आणि काय म्हटलं तुम्ही? बांगड्या
दिस इज बांगड्या।
हो, याला ना केडिया बोलतेच। मी त्यांच्याशी बोलले। हो, केडिया आहे ना, ते लोक मुंबईत गेलं, नंतर they went to Rajasthan. Let me start in English. They went to Rajasthan.
Good research. I must say this.
Yes. So they went to Mumbai. They flocked to Rajasthan, Delhi, Gujarat to get special attire for Navratri, especially for Dandiya Utsav. You see?
Tell me one thing. How do I look?
You're looking awesome and handsome.
Can I hold those balloons and do dandiya here?
Why not? I'm come out just for 10 minutes break just to get fresh air, you see. But then after 10 minutes, the break is going to get over.
Okay.
So you can come with me downstairs and check out the fashion day. It's awesome.
I've never done dandiya before, so I would love to get into the crowd and maybe you can teach me some steps.
Of course, by now I've learned everything. Although I got some.
Break my head by any chance.
Nah, you never break your head, and that's a wrong perception. You can break your fingers.
Okay, maybe I've insured, so not a problem. Maybe I can try.
How much is it?
That I keep a secret, not a problem. This is not an insurance.
We'll go inside, we'll check out the fashion. There are awesome designs and lehenga choli, Gagra choli, kedia and bangles and the colors and whatever they are wearing is just too good, man.
What I'll do is I'll see those kediyas, bangles, all pretty little girls wearing those, attire.
Without makeup, let me tell you, without makeup, they look awesome and pretty. I want to know how they keep the glow. They have so much of glow. They're looking so pretty without makeup, yeah.
Now don't spoil my mood. Let me get into the crowd now. I think it's already late. I've got half an hour more.
10 minutes break. Let's go. Even I'm excited to dance.
I need to check some.
So friends, let's go inside and check out the new fashion out there. I'll tell you more about kedia, bangles, the mangtika, the waist
Keep going on and on and on. You keep watching Prudent and you keep watching Fashionista.
Accessories are the most important part of any outfit you are wearing during Garba night. If you want to go for heavy traditional accessories, then check out in silver with mojeries and silver balis. There are multiple styles and designs of bali and mojeries that you can find in market. Make sure you don't go overboard in sense of impressing someone. You would probably want to look fresh right from up to down. Indian jewelry like Mangal Sutras, necklaces, nose rings, earrings, bangles and rings, toe rings, bracelets are all part of the Gujarati attire. Most of this jewelry is made in 22 karat gold, but cheaper costume jewelry is also available. During weddings, Gujarati brides wear a lot of jewelry. This is traditionally a form of trust handed to a girl as 22 karat jewelry. This jewelry gives a high aesthetic appeal.
some more pretty ladies here who are not so much decked, but let's ask them how they are come like this and what they feel about Navratri. तुम्ही हॅलो तुम्ही त्यांच्या इथले नटून टटून आले नाही असं सिंपल आहे असं कसं नाही आज नटायचं नव्हतं उद्या आम्हाला नटायचं आहे संडेला आमचा ग्रुप संडेला नटणार आहे तर काय काय पान वडे ड्रेस ड्रेस कोड गुजराती घागरा आणि चोली तर आज काय नाही आज वेसत नाही आज आमचा वीकेंड आहे मॅडम दॅट्स वाय बाय टुमॉरो डेफिनेटली बिकॉज ऑफ वीकेंड यू हॅव स्पेशल ड्रेसेस फॉर वीकेंड बट yesterday we was there you was not there that's why आणि तुमचं काय वीकेंड वगैरे काय नाही तुम्ही रेग्युलर एव्हरीडे बोला ना मूड जसा असला तसा आम्ही नटून येतो सो युअर ड्रेसिंग डिपेंड्स ऑन द मूड तसं काही नाही जसा वेळ मिळाला ना तसं पटकन तयार होऊन येतो असं बरी छान दिसते तुम्ही थँक्यू After dancing Dandiya, I'm really tired and I have a full group of girls who are dressed in Gujaratis and I can't recognize who is a Gujarati here and who is a Goan. So I'll speak in Konkani to find out who is a Goan and who is dressed in Gujarati. Hi there! Nice to see you all dressed like this. आता तुम्ही अशा वर्षाच्या वर्ष तुमची नवरात्री जाता नी सो असे ड्रेस करून येता तुम्ही आणि म्हणजे एव्हरी इयर दुसरे घालता डिफरंट या एव्हरी इयर डिफरंट मग ट्रेडिशनल आहे बट डिफरंट ड्रेस ओके मागीर व्हॉट अबाउट इयरिंग्स अँड ते मांग टिका घालता ते म्हणजे चेंज करता सेम मांग टिका हे टिका कानातली मागीर गळ्यातले सगळे डिफरंट घालता पण घालता पण तांकां स्पेशल कितें आसता तें घालता तुमी ना तशें ना म्हणजे एक सेट येता न्ही गुजराती ड्रेसा बरोबर एक सेट येता ते आतां गोवान काही मेळना ते सो तुमी भायर वता गोवाचे ना आमचे फ्रेंड्स आसा न्ही थोडे ते गुजरातचे अशे आनी मागीर ते आमकां थंयच्यान घेवन येता सांगले जाल्यार थंयच्यान हाडटा आनी गोवानूय आतां सगळें मेळटा न्ही गोवान खंय मेळटा तर असले आमकां कांय मेळोंक ना मेळटा पणजे मेळटा मार्केटान गेले जाल्यार सगळे गुजराती शॉपारूय मेळटा फोंडे मेळटा तुमी खंयसून मेळटा आम्ही फोंडेसून घेतला आणि तुमचे आता हे सगळे तुम्ही मांग टिका घालला नेकलेस घालला ते खंय आम्ही हांगाच घेतला फोंडेच घेतला सगळे वर्सा की आता 9 days असता न्ही सो 9 days तुमचे डिफरंट 9 ड्रेसेस असता हय डिफरंट 9 ड्रेसेस मीन्स योर्स पे एवरी इयर but traditional but different dresses color different design different everything different like that. So altogether you all have 9 dresses now yeah. What about you? You're looking very handsome. What's your name?
My name is Manthan. Yeah.
So okay, you are dressed in a Gujarati way. I found many people. I found you very handsome in that. So how come you are dressed in Gujarati way?
I am a Gujarati.
You're a Gujarati?
Yeah.
Oh wow. So कोकणी येता तुका?
कोकणी येता म्हाका.
कोकणी येता? Oh my god. आणि गुजराती येता?
गुजराती येता.
केम छो?
बस मजामा.
आणि तुमची आता तू ड्रेस घातला ना गुजराती मध्ये सांग मला तुला गोवा कसं काय आवडतं
गोवा બહુ સરસ છે ગોવામાં ઘણી મજા આવે છે અને ગોવામાં સ્પેશિયલી દાંડિયા રમવાની બહુ મજા આવે છે
ગુજરાતી मध्ये નહીં આવે છે
ગુજરાતીમાં આવે છે પણ ગોવામાં રહી છે એટલે ગોવામાં વધારે મજા આવે છે
आई कोकणीन सांग
सिन्स हांव आतां गोंयांत रावता म्हणून गोवान मजा येता गुजरातान येतात पण आता गोव्यात राहताना
ओके गुजरातान बोरी नवरात्री जाता काय गोवान मज्जा चोडता
इट डिपेंड्स
सो इफ यू कंपेअर which is better
Gujarat is better because their whole crowd is Gujarati, we enjoy a lot there.
okay so what is the significance
Enjoying, but since all are Gujarati there,
okay so what is the significance of this navratri
we give a tribute to our Devi Ma, and in her the happiness we play here, Dandiya, for Devi.
you're enjoying
Yeah.
how about respecting women
Respecting women, we should respect women. Since,
what do you have to say about women
yeah, in Hindu Dharma we say that woman is Lakshmi,
okay
so we have to respect women.
all right my name is Vimal Purohit okay I've liked your dressing I liked your attire you have dressed in a Gujarati way especially for Dandiya so what do you have to say about her dressing
Yeah, she's from Gujarat, Rajasthan.
from Rajasthan
Yeah.
okay
So she has same dress and she's brought for us also dresses. Yeah, from there.
what about you small girl
My dress.
you speak about your dress
This
what are you wearing
this bangles, then earrings, mangtika, and nothing about dress, necklace and dress.
Choniyo. Kadi choniyo. Boys dress is called kadi choniyo and girls is called chaniya choli.
kadi chunyo and keda what is keda
Keda is this one. That white one we say, no? This one.
that is called keda okay what you're wearing you said is
Kadi choniyo, the whole dress. This is called kadi and this is called choni. So
what is that okay why do you call it that way
yeah, it's a new.
So it was very nice having this, being with these people here who are Goans and who are dressed in Gujarati. We have seen their fashion, the way they wear different kadiya, chaniya choli, that turban, the necklaces, the bangles. It was really awesome here. Dancing Dandiya was really good. And I hope all my viewers like this episode. If you have any queries or suggestions, please write into me. And till then, take care and goodbye.
Bolo.
Jai!